fresh video. So this is the first day of my 365 days vlogging challenge, and I'm super excited for today. So I just woke up and I'm started working. So today I'll be working till 6. Not much to do, but after 6 I'll be moving out, and today there's a plan of shooting a reel also. So a new kind of idea that just came up to my mind. I called up a friend and told him to get some costumes ready. So he said that he'll get. So I think at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock we'll be shooting a reel. For now, I'll just finish this work. There's quite a lot of work today. Especially on Thursdays and Fridays, they just come to know that it's a week. It's going to be a weekend. So they try to put up everything that they have on us. So yeah, I'll just finish this and I'll get back to you. So I'm just done with my work now. The time right now is 7. So yeah, I'm almost done. So the code is running. Yeah, so now the plan is I'll just go out. I'm feeling really hungry. Even Mai is hungry. So I'll go and get something for us. So I stay most of the time. I stay up because I work from here, because down there are all puppies and all dogs. So there's a lot of noise down. And Mai also, she does not like it down. She just comes up because she gets to sleep here peacefully. She stays awake during the night, and then she is sleeping throughout the day. So she's more of attached to me. So she comes and sits near me. So she's sleeping right now. I'll meet you all to her also. I'll let her wake up. Yeah, so we are hungry. I made tea for her and gave, but I did not have anything. So I'll go to the church now, get something for me to eat. So Justin had also called. Let's see what the plan is. But initially, the plan was that we'll be making a reel today. But let's see how it goes. So I just changed my clothes. Now I'll go to the church. I'm craving for roast omelette. It's been quite a long time that I did not have. Yeah, so I'll just get my bike and go. I did not start my bike also for quite a long time. Let's see if it starts. Because there's a GPS that's installed, it drains most of the battery if I keep it idle. But yeah, I'll check. So here are our bikes. Let's see. Is it in neutral? Yes. No, it's not starting.
तोबा 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 थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
One day if I don't start, it does not start. Okay, so change in plans. I'm not sure what I should be doing. First of all, I'll just, before anyone drains out more, I'll remove the battery. Meaning I'll remove the GPS connection from it. So I don't know where I'll keep my phone. I'll keep it over there. And on most of the bikes, removing the battery is quite easy. But on this one, you have to remove the side panel, which is 4 nuts. And then there are 2 more on the inside. And then you have to remove the half of the wiring, and then there's a lot of lengthy process. So I'll get that portable charger online, and I'll charge it this time. I'm looking for the car key. So I just remembered that I also have to get tablets for my you see, these are the tablets. So many, but yeah, I need this one. Okay. I was, in a good mood that I'll take my bike and go for a ride. The weather is also changing a bit from heat, it is getting cold now. But my bike had other plans. So I'll take the car and go now. So we just came to the shop. We wanted few things to make the reel. Oi, auto red powder, okay. Eku puro red. So Fraser came to the church and we are roaming with his bike only. I kept my car over there. So we'll just take these things and we'll go. So we are come to have roast omelette here. And that's near the church only. So I reached home and Karan's out. And we got all our things. This is the Rangoli color which we want for the reel, the chalks, and these are candles. But it is a bit of a bad luck for us because it has started raining I'm not sure if it is like you all can hear it, but yeah. So the plan of the reel is cancelled today. Quite disappointing that the first day of the vlog I'm cancelling something that I had planned. But tomorrow, I have planned it for tomorrow now, because tomorrow actually the weather forecast had given that it will rain today and tomorrow, yesterday and today. But yesterday it did not rain, so I thought like today also it would be the same. But at the end moment it started raining. Everything was ready, but then we could not record the reel. So we'll see. If the rain subsides now, we'll do the reel, or else we'll move it to tomorrow. Yeah. So I just had a quick bath. I was waiting for the rains to subside, but they did not. So my stomach is also full. I do not want dinner, so I just got a few cocktails for me to eat. So I don't have anything much to do, and it's not that much timed up also. So what I thought is I have some fishing this thing equipment, and I need to put it in place. Last time I went for fishing, and after that I just washed it and kept it. But I was thinking that I'll do it now. So the lights also come, so I'll just take some time and do it now. So this is my fishing setup, and I have like a lot of sizes of hooks as well. Just a minute, I forgot to turn on one light. Yes. So these are some hooks. These are quite big as compared to these ones. So last time we went to Betul, and in Betul, so it's fishing in the rocks, and we tend to lose a lot of fishing hooks. We lost a lot also. But what we do is, if we go to those kind of places, we take the cheap hooks, because it is pointless wasting all that money in hooks, especially when you are fishing in the rocks. What happens with the cheap ones is you don't waste the line also. So if you just pull, the hook breaks off. So yeah. So this was full. There are just 3 remaining. We'll tie the rest of the ones, because when I go for fishing, then I don't like wasting time over there tying the hooks around. So I'll just do this now. So I'm done with this. So this is the extra line that I always carry. These are 2 extra reels. So these are all the fishing hooks. These are the artificial rigs. These are the plastic ones. These are the solid ones. These are the big ones. And this is for the squids. Yeah, so this is quite the setup that I have. So here there are some extra weights and other stuff. And here there are a lot of hooks. Yeah, so I'm tired, meaning like with this light to focus on that hooks and the fine line, it is a bit tiring. But yeah, I'm done. So maybe on Monday, Tuesday, I'll go for fishing. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I know the first video is, not that target achieving, meaning I had thought that we'll be doing the reel today and uploading it tomorrow. But yeah, things up here and there, it's okay, I think. We'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm thinking of putting it in a way structured way, like breakfast, lunch, dinner, making of it, everything. In a like in a professional cinematic way. So tomorrow's video is going to be good. Yeah, so it's this much for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.